Hey there, One Up Indie here, coming with games made in GameMaker, and I wanted to give a big shout out to Esoria, which was made available as a demo right now. I checked it out and I enjoyed it, so I thought like, hey, let's give some spotlight to the developer. So quick one from his side. So he started in 2020 and worked 1.5 years more off and on the game, but of course as a system admin he already had easier access to programming, so therefore he didn't come in from zero to hero, which is of course possible if you like. And of course the game made in Deutschland, so you can expect some quality on the long run. So once again, a little side story from his side, and of course if you want to chip in, a link in the description below to the game, so the demo, so you can check it out yourself, or to the Discord, because he wants to collect some feedback. Alrighty, so let's go into the game. This is once again a little bit biased from my side. I do love me some good action RPG or some side scrollers or Metroidvanias in particular, so once again a little biased from that side, but hey, this game was definitely tons of fun, so I didn't expect that, so check it out yourself. You start with a neat little cutscene where you got your standard story. There's some evil, you need to banish it. Alrighty, completely forgettable, but of course it gives some context, and then you can choose your hero class, which is for now in the demo just 2, so the Mage, which is great for cheesing, a little bit overpowered, and then you got the warrior class, which is just healing and doing some other stuff. So what you see at the very beginning, some very familiar things which you see in Dark Souls. So you got your thing where you save and then restore your values, like I don't know, like HP and your mana and so on. And then you got some townspeople, and you got some, I don't know if there are any quests, I didn't find any, but you could just go and chat with people. They will giving you some instructions, so this is good for a tutorial. And then of course you could start going and crawling, so dungeon crawling, which I liked. And then there was a loot inventory system, which I definitely dig, and later on I actually found out that there is a skill system in there, so you can actually upgrade your character even further, and then you can spawn or spam some skills, which is pretty sweet. So here pretty good stuff. And then of course well, the presentation is low pixel art, so low poly pixel art, so you need to be a fan of that. Personally, I don't mind, I actually enjoy that, because I love pixel art in any kind of shape or form, as long as the gameplay is decent. So here, just check it out for yourself and see where this leads you. Alrighty, that was it from my side. Once again, please check out the demo, it is definitely worth your time, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. One Up Indie.